In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shop button on Instagram. So the first thing you need to do is to have a professional Instagram account. So to switch personal profile to professional account, just go onto your settings and privacy and select account and tools. And then click on switch to a professional account. And then all of these, just tap on continue. So once in here, it says here what best describe you, so you can go ahead and select a category that best describe you. For example, entrepreneurs, editor. So once you're done, just go ahead and tap next and tap on business and tap next to this one. Go ahead and review your contact info. Once done, just go ahead and tap next. And you can also connect to Facebook, but for now, I will just skip this one. So now, to complete setting up your professional account on Instagram, you have to complete all of these 4 steps. So once you've successfully switched to professional account, to add shop button on Instagram, just go back to your profile and tap on edit profile. So in here you will see add button, just click that one. And you can select a button regarding to what is suitable for your business. And that's it guys, that's how to add shop button on Instagram. So that's it guys, I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.